In this video, we are going to see how to knit simple crochet flower. For this, you need super soft half silk yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook. To begin with, we are going to make a slip knot inside the hook, and then we are going to make 4 foundation chains. So once the 4 times foundation chain is done, we are going to slip stitch in the first chain. Slip stitch is nothing but we are not going to yarn over the hook, we are just going to pull it back the yarn. That's it. So one small circle like is formed, and from this we are going to make the flowers. To begin with, 1 single crochet, and then we are going to make 4 times triple crochet. Triple crochet is nothing but we are going to yarn 2 times over the hook, and we are going to pull it back 3 times. 2 times we are going to pull it back. So like this we are going to make 4 times triple crochet. So friends, if you are new to my channel and you are watching this video for the first time and you are confused with all the stitches, I have given the link in the description box about the basic crochet stitches. You can go through that and then you can watch this video as well. Just 2 times we are going to yarn over, and then 3 times we are going to pull it back. Second time and 3rd time. That's it. So this is triple crochet. So like this we are going to make 4 times. So 4 times we have made triple crochet. And now again we are going to make 1 single crochet. Single crochet, we are not going to yarn over the hook. So this is single crochet, and then 1 foundation chain. So you can see that beautiful curve like petal is formed. So like this we are going to make 4 more times. So friends, this yarn is very special, and you can find half mixed with silk material in this. So I bought this from Al Qatar Al Kurmal in the same shop Diasco. So here actually this yarn is bit costly, so they never used to keep it out for display. So unless and until you ask the shopkeeper, he will give it to you. If you want to know more about the yarn, and for my new viewers, please check my another video on yarn collection. The same link I have given in the description box about my yarn collections. So you can have a bit of knowledge on what are the types of yarns are available. So we made second petal. So we are going to make 1 more petal. So friends, if you want to finish it within 3, you can, but I am going to continue 5. So even 3 petals will look beautiful. It's very easy friends, you can make lots of variations in this. You can make lots of fashion out of this. You can make rubber band, you can stitch on the rubber bands, you can stitch on the hair bands, you can stick it on the safety pins, and you can stitch on the purse and other crochet stuffs so that it will look beautiful. So here I have done 3 times. So 3 petals are done. So friends, if you want to leave it within 3, you can finish it off. Even the 3 petals will look beautiful. But I'm going to knit 2 more times. So I have done 5 times. So after completing the 5th time, the flower will look like this. So to finish with, we are going to slip knot it and then pull it through and just leave it. If you want to make only one flower, you can cut the thread and you can leave it. So that's how it looks. So I have made one more flower like this, but I have made it in little bit thick yarn. So friends, for tutorial video only we learned with whatever crochet hook we are comfortable. But when we are making a specific things in crochet, we have to always go with a hook which is good for that yarn. Nowadays actually they used to give it in the yarn itself what size of hook we have to use it in that yarn, so that is much more comfortable. So once we complete the flower, it will look like this. So friends, this I made very long back. This is a crochet hook holder, the same flower, but I made it twice, like I made it in a layer. So once you done the flower, it will look like this. So the completed flower will always give a beautiful look like this. So friends, hope you all like this video. If you have any suggestion, kindly let me know. Stay connected to me and to my channel, and thanks for watching. Take care till I see you in the next video. Bye bye.